Hi, I'm Lindsay from Starfire Direct. You know, there's a saying, if it's worth doing, do it right. Nowhere else is that motto more true than when it comes to building your own outdoor gas fire pit. One of the parts that's essential for building your own outdoor gas fire pit is what's called a burner pan. Right now you're probably thinking, well, what's a burner pan, Lindsay? Well, burner pans are kind of like the backbone of your fire pit. You see, you thread your fire ring to the top of your burner pan, and all your gas connections and valves attach to the underside of your burner pan. Then that burner pan rests in your fire pit enclosure on either a ledge or bracket of sorts, and basically secures everything inside the fire pit. Burner pans allow for a much cleaner, professional installation. They're also required when your fire pit's connected to a propane source, or if you plan on using an electronic ignition system. Starfire Designs, which is our custom fabrication division here at Starfire Direct, has created a burner pan that we're really excited to tell you about. As always, our burner pans are made of heavy gauge materials. The pans are 18 gauge 304 stainless steel, and that allows us to offer our customers a 10-year warranty on this product. Each pan has a threaded nipple welded into the center of it, which secures your fire ring to the pan. And that's opposed to some of our competitors' pans that just have a hole cut in the center. So there's nothing really from preventing that fire ring from twisting or spinning inside your fire pit. Our pans also feature several weep holes to allow water to drain through. As great as all these features are, what we're really excited to tell you about is our tri-purpose ignition ports. These ignition ports allow you to set up your fire pit as a matchlet system with a battery spark igniter, or with the ever-popular all-weather electronic ignition system, without even having to change the pan. Let me show you how it works. If you're setting your fire pit up as a matchlet system, simply secure the ignition port cover plates to the burner pan so that the ignition port is completely covered. If you plan on using our battery-powered spark ignition kit, simply turn the plate around 180 degrees so that the hole for the sparking igniter is overlapping the ignition port. This will allow you to fasten the igniter probe to the burner pan like so. If you've purchased our deluxe spark ignition kit, you'll also have received this really nice igniter button and key valve faceplate, which can then be installed in the side wall of your fire pit enclosure. To use our burner pans with the all-weather electronic ignition system, or as we call AWIS for short, simply remove the igniter port cover completely. The AWIS pilot assembly will drop into the igniter port and is secured to the burner pan using the same screws that were being used with the cover plate. Not only are these pans compatible with multiple ignition setups, but all pans 24 inches in size and up include 2 tri-purpose ignition ports, which are strategically positioned to allow the pan to work with multiple fire ring sizes. As you can see, the Starfire Designs burner pans are the most versatile fire pit pans on the market today. They're built to last, and they're future-proof. So if you're unable to invest in an electronic ignition system today, you can rest assured knowing that you can do it in the future with minimal cost, minimal hassle, and it'll bolt right to your existing setup. And of course, these fire pit pans are for purchase at starfiredirect.com today. For Starfire Direct, I'm Lindsay. Thanks for watching.